Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. I got a request today to make a drink, and the request is from a friend of mine that lives in Huntington Beach. Name is Troy. So Troy, we're going to make your drink. We're going to make a penicillin. And penicillin was first made in New York City in 2005, and it became a really popular drink. Most drinks that I make are 50 to 100 years old. I don't think I've made one that's only about 16 years old. When I was making it, it reminded me of a whiskey sour. So our ingredients is honey. You got to dilute the honey with a little bit of water, otherwise it'll just clog up and stick to the ice and won't work. We use ginger. Use some fresh ginger that we just muddled, added a little simple syrup to it, and then we use juice of a lemon, and there's about an ounce here of each one. Now let's get busy making our drink. So we're going to put it in a shaker, and we're going to shake it up with ice, and then we're going to pour it over ice. So what we're going to do here is I got a Dewar's blended scotch. We're going to use about 2 ounces of the scotch. Then we're going to use probably about an ounce, ounce and a half maybe of the honey. We're going to add, I think this is the medicine, the ginger, part of the penicillin, so let's dump that in. And then we're going to do the lemon juice. Dump that in, and let's get shaken. All right. There you go, Troy. Here's your penicillin. Now, what we're going to do is, this is a smoky, a very smoky scotch. So it's going to use a blended scotch and a scotch that's got a smoke flavor to it. So we're going to float this on here. And we're going to garnish it with a cherry and a twisted lemon. All right, Troy. Your Penicillin Shot is ready. Pick up your prescription anytime. Take care. Let me take a sip of this. So good, so good. Oh yeah, Troy, take one of these daily with friends. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Comments, good or bad, let me know. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go drink Troy's drink. Bye.